how's it going? Phil here, physicist, engineer and general messer. I am in Grace Park Educate Together National School to get my blast on, my Science Blast, where we take science and we do useful, interesting stuff with it. We answer questions, we come up with project ideas, we ask kids what do they care about. What brilliant, wonderful, phenomenal ideas do they have?
Yeah, we were trying to come up with a question for Science Blast today.
Why does food have like taste and stuff?
When it rains a little bit, then it snows. How does it do that?
Do cats always land on their feet?
Could you use a yo-yo underwater?
When we were coming up with our question, Philip asked what types of things do you like? Like, do you like sport? What food do you like?
So what kind of experiments or questions do you think you might want to ask about these type of things?
Magical dinosaur worms and how that would be possible.
Of course, that's exactly what the project should be.
We've been having some really good fun in the school in our participation in ESB Science Blast, and we found that it was a great way to bring science alive in our classrooms, and STEM actually, all of the STEM subjects. The children love when something different is happening and something fun.
So, what I think you're all really interested in, like singing, but you're also you're quite loud. You're already been very proudly said that you're the loudest class in the school, which is great. So how your voice works, how sound is created in your head, could be really, really interesting.
I think one of the things that really attracted me to the ESB Science Blast was the whole idea that it's the whole class engaged in it. Finding a question that can enthuse all of the students, that would have been a big challenge.
Think of what we're trying to do. We're trying to come up with something that, number one, you're interested in. Number two, will have an interesting answer. And number three, we can do it.
Experiments is where you do not know what is going to happen. Someone else might, but as long as you don't, it is still an experiment.
I like not knowing what's going to happen.
It's really interesting and you get to learn so much.
You spin it to create the whirlpool. Yeah, so the thing about this is you're creating space, and it's also about balance.
It doesn't have to be a huge big deal for the class teachers, so that's been a real positive for us. It's been something that we can incorporate into the work that's ongoing in our rooms anyway, every day.
All of the stuff that I do is with stuff I rob from home or from my office or other bits and pieces like that. All of these things you can create yourself.
The fun aspect of it is just so big for the children, isn't it? Because they really learn when they're having fun.
Thank you so much, that's my day. It's not coming up with the question that is the most difficult thing. It's actually just starting. If you just give it a go, give it one good try. Go to ESB Science Blast, go to the website, figure out what people have done before, follow in their footsteps and come up with your own great solutions. It's actually a blast. I mean, they named it really well. It's really quite exciting.
I do not want to get out of here.